Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to create a dashboard in Ninox. Now before we start getting into details how to create a dashboard, first let us understand what exactly is a dashboard and why do we need it. The dashboard is nothing but a visual representation of your data, and this is more importantly required by management to understand the real-time status on different things. So if your project is about test automation, you may want to understand what is the current status of the execution, what is the rate of failure, and so on. Now here, for the demonstration purpose, I have created a simple database for a student. As you can see here, I have pretty good set of records. So when I say student records, I'm putting in basic information about the name, date of birth, class, gender, what is the contact number, location, and the overall percentage. Now I'm going to create a dashboard based on this data. Now you can pull in data from the multiple tables, not necessarily from a single table. So let us go ahead and start creating a dashboard in Ninox. So for that, what you are going to need is, you will need to create a new table. So go to settings when you are into administration mode and create a new table. So I'm giving here name as dashboard. You may want to add relevant icon. So for dashboard, I think this one makes sense. Okay, now when we are creating a dashboard, we are going to refer multiple tables here. So I'm going to add the references. As of now, I'll add just student table and save the changes. You can drag and keep this at the top. Okay, now go to edit fields and pull in the different types of charts that you need. Okay, so here I'll add another tab so that it is properly segregated. Let me pull one chart here. Now in the formula, you need to specify the name of the table. So I'm just going to say select student. Say OK. Now here, as you can see, you can select the type of the chart, whether you want a bar chart or line chart or a pie chart. Whichever you want, you can select it from this combo. Then what is the data series, whether it is in a column format or a rows. Okay, and where you want to place the legend. Now let us go ahead and first create a bar chart. First you need to pull is ID, because this is going to give you the count. Wherever you need the number of students, here you need to refer it as ID. I have another field as grade, and in grade there are different filters, so I can select, I need all of them. I'm selecting all of them here. You should be grouping them and you need the count. So let us see how this chart will get created. Okay, so I need to put here as a count. and here you go. So this is how your chart is created. Now, as I said, like, you can pull in multiple charts here. This is real-time data that we need, and I can go ahead and rename this chart like grade wise count of students. And here you can edit ID as number of students. So it's that simple, and make it more sophisticated. You may not need this, so I'm just adding one more tab. And now let us create another chart. Go ahead and edit the column. Okay, so we need to put here table name, as we did earlier. We are first going to pull the number of students, and we are going to need, so here we have the filter, and we want to group, and we need the count. So this is how you can see. But now let us make a pie chart. Now here we don't have much options. Okay, here you go. We have a pie chart as well in place. So similarly, you can keep on adding more charts, and this will be a very nice dashboard that your management will be looking out for, and they can get the runtime data. So now when you just take the mouse over these bars, you can see the data as well.